Hello, this is Mackenzie Nix, Sexual Abuse Prevention Consultant with the Risk Management Department, and welcome to our Mitigation Minute on appropriate conversations with minors. Let's take a moment to talk about appropriate conversations with minors, an important part of maintaining professionalism and trust. First, avoid oversharing personal information. Topics like romantic relationships, relationship struggles, or other intimate matters should never be discussed with minors. These conversations are unprofessional and can blur boundaries. Second, keep comments about appearances appropriate and professional. A good rule of thumb is that you should not comment on someone's appearance unless they can fix that thing in 5 seconds or less. A great example of this is food stuck in someone's teeth. Third, if conversations about romantic relationships between minors comes up, use caution. When possible, include another adult in the conversation and limit your involvement to that of which is professionally appropriate and supportive. Remember, you are a mandated reporter. Finally, if you ever suspect that a minor may have romantic feelings for you, it is important to respond appropriately. Maintain clear boundaries, avoid one-on-one situations, and report your concerns to your administrator or supervisor right away. By keeping conversations professional and focused on minors' academic and personal growth, you help create a safe, respectful learning environment for everyone. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. If you have any questions, please reach out to the Risk Management Department.